Hi everybody, I'm Corey from RecPro, and today I'm going to show you how you can install new stabilizer jacks on your RV or trailer. It's very simple and straightforward installation. It should only take you about 20 minutes or so. As far as tools go, all you really need are a couple sockets and an impact driver or battery powered drill of some such. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into it. To start with, we'll begin by raising the stabilizer jacks that are currently on the RV or trailer up so there's not a whole lot of pressure on the nuts and bolts that are holding it. Once these current stabilizer jacks are raised, we'll use our impact or drill to undo the nuts and bolts that are currently holding the old ones on. And you'll want to keep the nuts and bolts and set them to the side so you can reuse them later. We'll get the new stabilizer jacks out, and we'll start raising the stabilizer jacks just a little bit just to help us line them up with the nuts and bolts without struggling to hold the stabilizer jack up. We'll get the nuts attached to the bolts just finger tightened down, and then we will raise the new stabilizer jack up a little bit so that it kind of dangles on those bolts. That'll help us adjust it into a final position. And once we get it into a position we'll like, we'll use our impact or electric screwdriver to tighten down the bolts and make sure they're nice and firm. Obviously we don't want our stabilizer jack to wiggle around. Once you're done, you can lower the new jacks and test them out, make sure they're going to be nice and stable for you. But that's pretty much it. And that's all there is to it when it comes to installing new stabilizer jacks on your RV or trailer. If you like this product and you want to know more about it, click the link in the description below. If you want to see more videos like this from RecPro in the future, such as how-tos and installations, hit the like button and remember to subscribe as well. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.